Man, welcome to Big Daddy's Cooking Show. You know what we're cooking today? We're gonna cook some chili. They're supposed to have a cold front come in. So you know what? Let's get it. So here I got about 1.5 pounds of ground meat, and you can use turkey, but this is ground chuck. I got chili powder, I have that Top Texas spice, I got some minced garlic, a medium onion dice, I have some tomato sauce and diced tomatoes, and we finna get with it. Alright, so I got my pot with medium heat going. I'm gonna drop my ground meat in there. Want to make sure you brown your ground meat. About halfway done, then I toss my onions in there. Now that my ground meat is almost brown, I'm going to add my diced onions to it and kind of saute those down in there. Alright, let's cover that back up. Alright, now that my onions have sauteed in my ground chuck, let's go on and add our diced tomatoes in there, okay? 1 can of diced tomatoes. Okay. 1 can of tomato sauce. And of course, give that a stir. You want to keep the heat about medium. And let's let that cook down a little bit, and then we'll add about 1 can of water to it. So I did turn my fire so they can kind of get to boiling a little bit. So I'm going to add my 1 can of water. And let's do our minced garlic. Oh yeah. And you know what I forgot to tell you? Hey, let's put about 1/2 cup of beer. Beer of your choice. There you go. We're going to stir that around. And we're going to let that cook down a little bit. Alright, now that we got that boiling, we're going to add that Top Texas spice in there. Oh yeah, oh yeah. And then we're going to do some chili powder. I'd say we're probably about 1 tablespoon. We'll stir that up. Oh my God. And we're going to turn the heat down to low. And we'll be right back. Oh yeah, this is our finishing product right here. Now that's how chili's supposed to look, baby. Ooh. Man, thank you for looking at Big Daddy's Cooking Show. You make sure you follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. Last but not least, be